Sveiki atvykę į Kolumbijos plantacijas.
50 eurų.
Visą maišą. Visą maišą. Kokių čia reikalų su vaizdu turim? Va tokių. Šiaip pirmieji įspūdžiai su Medellin tai žiauriai geri. Tai tokį greitai biškį kambariuką atrodo. Šiaip gan didelis. Šiaip labai fainas ir aplamai viešbutis geras toksai. Tipo su visokiom programom, su...
Šiandien į salsas pamoką, o rytoj bačatą.
Su salsos pamokom, su bačiatom, kaip Kamilė sakė.
Pool party bus.
Pool party, pool šmarty, karočią, viskas viename. Ką dabar, Kamilė, darysim?
Dabar varom pavalgyti pusryčių ir varysim į kavos fermą.
Kavos plantacijas.
Kavos rančą.
Gerai. Varom. Varom. Eik. Kaip rytas be kavytės. Ir dar be kolumbietiškos kavytės. Avau, karšta. Ryžiai, pupelės, kiaušinis, chorizo. Čia kažkoks jų plantation, nežinau. Ir sūris. Mūsų pasirodo, ne tik tai laukia kavos plantacijos, bet ir Pablo Escobaro turas. Nuvažiuojam.
Gera deširanin.
Hello, Oscar. Good. Nice to meet you.
Osva.
How you doing, guys?
Good.
So where are you guys from?
Thank you.
So first time in Medellin?
Yeah.
In Colombia?
First time in Colombia, yeah.
Did you visit Medellin or other cities?
Bogotá.
Okay, nice. All right, guys. So we're gonna drive like 30 minutes to the next city. Is called Envigado. Just next city.
Okay.
Part of the metropolitan area of Medellin.
Okay.
That one is called Envigado. Okay. The farm is not too far. It's really close over here, but it's a nice place over there.
Yeah.
Over there we have a natural reservoir over there, so it's a really nice place over there.
Oh, lovely.
And I hope you like it.
O kur čia tie avokadai?
Sakau, kad avokado.
Ai, va, avokado medis.
You have some repellent for mosquitoes.
Go first.
And you recognize this one here? Ethiopia.
Ethiopia?
Yeah, why?
Okay. I don't...
Because the coffee comes from Ethiopia.
Ah.
Okay, the coffee is originally from Ethiopia, from Africa. Really good. The Turkish, they go to Africa and they start spreading, the coffee from Italy and then Europe and Spain. And Spain, they come here from Venezuela, and from Venezuela just come here to this part of Colombia. Best coffee around the world because a good coffee doesn't need sugar.
Yeah,
A bad coffee is not even deserved. So why you don't need a sugar in a good coffee? Because the sugar is over there. We have the sugar because what happened in Colombia, because the altitude we have a good soil, and also here around here you see we have a lot of plants.
Okay.
So when you're drinking instant coffee, you take in this vasity. Just look like a shell over there. So they have some taste, but not really good taste.
Yeah, I don't
And
like
here we have all the beans. This is a fermented bean, so we have all the nutrients. That one is a fermented. So we have all the nutrients over there.
Kava atėjo iš Afrikos. Nežinau šito. Geras.
Labai geras gėdas.
Jo.
Kai kažkada, kas nors važiuotis, pasakykit, mes jums numesim linką, kad grinai...
Kad pravestų jisai.
The first thing we do over here is the seeding. We just seed the beans over here. Okay. The same thing happens with the good wine or good beer. If you want a good wine, they need a longer process, more care about the product, okay? That happens with the organic places over here. Look at the bean. Everything is fermented over there. So for us, it's the beginning and also the end, okay? So we make a circle process over here, okay? So for now, we're gonna use this one, has a seeding. We wanna seed this fermented bean inside the hole and cover over there. So we remove the plants from there, and now we're gonna use the soil from here. Okay, this soil. But we want, in this case, at the beginning, we want to use a plastic bag. Okay, dark. Why? Because we wanna keep the light and wet humidity over there.
The moisture.
Yes. You want to take
So how old is this now?
Now it's probably 4 or 5 months.
So 4 or 5 months. So you want
Now we
to
want
wait
to wait
He's
9
growing
months.
more like
9
here,
months.
he said.
So whenever it's gonna grow up to here.
7
Yes,
levels.
more, yes. 9 months.
Okay.
Probably
9 months. Okay.
9 months. And 3 months over there is 1 year.
So let's
Okay.
say,
We have babies over there.
yeah.
Babies.
Kids over here.
Teenagers.
Let me tell you. No, let me tell you.
Tai čia kūdikėliai, ten jau vaikučiai.
Dabar einam paaugliuko. Žiūrėk.
In 1950.
1950. Okay, so the farm started from here.
Here they start over there, yeah. Here started the farm over there.
Oh.
After there, they have his father. He made the house over there. And now the guy over there, he's in charge of the farm. That's the last generation.
Nice.
So guys, come here. Okay. So the teenagers. Look at the teenagers. The same thing with your human body. When you are a teenager, your body starts changing, especially ladies. So, okay, or men as well. You have they are saying the war. Okay, I'm ready for the war. I want to conquer the war because I'm ready. What you see different in this part over here in this plant?
And this flower.
The flower. They get ready. So we're talking about almost 3.5 years. We have the plant ready to show.
2, 2.5,
Yeah.
or
Oh,
3?
no, the
Three.
cherry.
And now we have cherries here.
So 3.5 for
Yeah,
cherry.
they start showing.
Can I taste?
No.
Yes, of course, but not this one. So do me a favor, because later, remember I tell you about we make 3 selections, good, bad, and okay. So I need you guys for today, help me to just pick up the
Bad.
red beans, okay?
Ah.
It's a video, okay?
Yeah, came all the way to Colombia to do some work.
we want a nice coffee, so we need to get
Some good coffee. Okay, guys, if you want a really good coffee here, you guys need to pick up at least 20 pounds.
20 pounds.
So I'll see you at 4 o'clock.
Atvažiuok į Kolumbiją, matai. Tai iš karto įdarbina. Čia po fermą duodamės, pasirodo. Tokios fermos pas juos. Ir ne tokia ferma, kokia jūs įsivaizduojat. Na, einam ieškot, kur jie pabėgo. I just love to be surrounded by such a nature. It's so beautiful. Jisai nedurnas, ne, mes čia vaikštinėjom, skinam po vieną, po du, jisai sako, ateikit čia. Iškart nuvedė prie medžio, kur pilna raudonų,
Nu, tai
raudonų pupelių šitų, ar kaip čia višnaitės, kažkokios višnytės. Vyšninės pupelės, tipo. Jo. Pati geriausia kava iš tokių būna.
Keliame dar kartą nufilmuoti.
Kelmelė dirbo, aš dabar tu nematai. Gal tu eik iš čia.
Ne, čia labai daug, aš noriu dar.
Tai kad tu toj parkrisi ir pasibaigs
Tai kas?
pasibaigs visi darbai tavo.
Tai nukrisi, nenumirsi.
Nu, bet susilaužysi stuburą.
Ne, blogiausiai, kad susitiks, tik išsitepsi rūbus, bet turiu pietų. Nu, paklausi mane dar kartą.
O,
Tiek mažai?
painai pamatytas. Nu, man čia norisi sakyti, kad džiunglės, bet čia ferma. Čia grina ferma. O,
Look at that one here.
nu ką, sveiki atvykę į Kolumbijos plantacijas.
Go over there and try it, taste it, and let me know how you feel, how it tastes. Remove the skin and chew it. Try it. How it tastes?
Sweet.
Sweet? Very sweet. That's the reason why you add sugar.
Yeah.
You add sugar to the coffee
Yeah.
because you're buying cheap coffee and bad quality coffee. And they need to over roast it and they make all the process. So that's the reason you need additional thing. But if you have this sugar over here, put it in your mouth and in your hand.
Oh,
There is 2 parts over there. This one here is called mucilago.
Yeah.
Some people make coffee or infusion for the mucilago. We don't. All those
you
sweet.
chew this?
Yeah.
Can we?
Nekramtyk.
That big, yeah.
Čiulpk.
That's good. So we need to fermentate all the
They look like your natural bean now. Į geriausios kokybės kavą dėl to nieks nededa cukraus, nes pati pupelė yra iš tikrųjų saldi. Toks biškai medaus skonis lengvas. Jie čia ne tik tai kavą augina, bet jie, kadangi yra organiška ferma, jie augina ir, va, kas čia, apelsinai kas čia?
Man apelsinai, man
Apelsinus,
avokadai, plantainai.
Plan-
Plantainai yra kaip bananai. Tai tokie. Na, tipo, visiškai atrodo, bet jie plantainai, ne bananai.
Tai jo, ir dėl to jie skaitosi čia kaip organiška ferma.
Hey, my friend, you mean?
Osvaldas.
Osvaldas, you're fired. You're fired, man. Look at that. We pay 1,000 pesos for every pound over here. 1,000 pesos. So you're not even one. So you're fired. Don't come back. Don't call me. I call you.
Loser.
What's your name?
Camilla.
I want to think about it, okay? Okay, guys, here and say, okay, how much you make? Okay, Pamela, you have 20 pounds. That's the payment for today. You know, you're fired.
I couldn't concentrate. Just look around, you know? Just look around. You see this every day, like.
No excuses.
Kaip gražu, tiesiog, wow, pasaka. Pasakėlė, ne, Kamiliukas?
So as soon we take the beans over there, and then it's registered, we just come here.
Laikydavo pupelės ten 20 valandų ir tada su šituo aparatu nulupdavo odeles jiem.
Man atrodo, kad čia laiko 20 valandų, nes jos tada, žinai, prinoksta dar ant saulės tas 20 valandų.
Lengviau gal atsilupa to odelė. Gerai, aš tai žinau, kad pasiruošęs esu ragaut kavą.
Dieve, atsivežk į užmiestį. Dar sako, aš esu iš miesto, žiūrėk.
All the sugar, all the nutrients, the minerals, everything is going to get attached and get it inside the nuclei of the bean, okay?
Tai čia jie taip praplauna jas.
Yeah, the beans are...
Nu ir jie taip plaukia, man atrodo, ir...
Why? Because they have more fermentation,
Yeah.
have more nutrients, are more consistent. Yeah, heavy.
Kurios yra labiausiai prinokusios, jos pasilieka dugne.
Geriausios jau.
Jo, pačios geriausios dugne ir taip pagal čia pačios geriausios, čia tokios, čia dar prastesnės ir taip toliau.
50%, 20%. In good quality, 80%, good quality. So everything is working over there at the farm.
Jie nieko neišvaisto, jie iš šitų pupelių, pavyzdžiui, darys trašas. Tai va, biški matosi. Ir čia, pavyzdžiui, ne šiaip krūmynai, va čia kur visur va. Čia yra kavos tie medžiai. Nu, man atrodo, dainam geriausią dalį dabar. Kavos gerimą.
Roasting is one of the most important part of the process. The heat, children are getting caramelizing. So now we're taking out, you know, the smells and everything.
Yeah.
And now everything is getting over there. And now it's popping. Oh, you see, cracking.
Geras.
Now we want to make
Geras. Tai ką viską rinkom, praėjo visą procesas, jisai paraustino ir va ką gavo. Ir dabar gersim kavą.
Now we want to try the coffee. Okay. So now, really bad.
Nu, čia tai kava. Kava kaip kava, nu?
Okay, so there are 6 over there. In this case, we have 21. I want to put 20. I'm going to say you some hot water. Okay, a couple drops.
It's boiling.
And what else? And what else?
Foaming, bubbling.
The bubbling, the cream. What is the cream?
The sugar?
The sugar. Yeah.
That is very cool.
Like a 5% of caffeine. 5%, but a chemical caffeine. That's the reason when you drink this, you go to the doctor and say, don't drink coffee, because coffee is bad.
Because you're
Coffee
drinking
is
this.
bad. You're
Yeah.
drinking bad and cheap coffee.
Yeah.
That's the thing, because here, 1% caffeine.
1%.
Only 1%, natural
Oh.
caffeine. That's nothing.
Yeah.
That's it yet. This is like a little ritual over here. Tasting buds, okay? So just absorb the coffee, we activate the tasting buds. Sugar?
No, you don't need any sugar.
Not need sugar. And now you can see caramel, a little chocolate, a little citrus.
Yeah, I was going to say citrus. That's what I got.
Over here, more citrus, yes. Over here in this infusion, more citrus and sugars. It's gonna taste different. Llegó a buena hora, sí, papá. Ese está aquí la decisión.
Gera kava, nelabai? Skanu?
Pienuką trūksta.
Ai.
I make it like yeah, similar like that one. Around 40. All right.
Va. Pupelės galima
How do
valgyti.
you like the tour so far?
Very good.
Very good, yeah.
Very,
Okay.
very, very.
Labai geras experiences. Rekomenduoju varyti, jeigu varysit, tikrai būtinai nuvarykite. Tikrai varykite kavos plantacijas. Super.
Kavos už beveik
Nu, beveik.
50 eurų.
Visą maišą. Visą maišą. Ir dar dovanų gavom.
Dėl to jis taip ir neskubėjo jų duoti.
Nu, varom toliau.
The minimum right now is 1,400,000 pesos, something like that. Okay. The average, I mean, the medium class, yeah, you have between 2 to 3 million pesos.
Okay.
2 to 3 million
Yeah.
average.
We're talking about what? 600.
650,
Yeah, something like that.
650 man.
Yes.
Tai 300 eurų, ta prasme. 300 eurų minimumas, 600 vidurkis
Į mėnesį.
į mėnesį. Reikėtų gyventi favelose kažkur. O ką mes dabar? Pasistiprinam
Ir varysim į turą.
ir varysim į Pablo Eskobaro turą. Atves apie rajoną, turbūt, kuris ten dalyvaudavo.